I'm Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we're going to show you how to replace a toilet handle. Replacing a toilet handle is really a pretty easy task. It's a good idea to turn the water off before you do that. You also need to determine what type of handle you have when you go to the hardware store to pick it up. This is a front-mounted handle, as you can see on the front of the toilet. Some are on the side here, so it does matter which one you buy. Now, this particular one is a universal handle, which can actually be adjusted to be a front, side, right, or left. I really like these. They're very easy to install. Now, what you're going to do first is flip it up and remove the chain that is on the end of the handle. And typically there's a clip on there, and you'll just kind of let that drop inside there. There is a nut right here that holds it in place. The thing to remember is, normally it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, but on this one, it's the exact opposite. So you tighten it to loosen it. Go ahead and take that nut on there. There's typically a couple of washers that hold it in place. You want to remove those carefully, and then you just gently pull the arm out, and now it's ready for the new one for replacement. Okay, with these universals, like I mentioned, you can actually use these for a front mount or a side mount. There's a clip here, these red clips pull out, and the handle actually comes out, which makes it pretty easy to install. So you're gonna tighten the nut to take it all the way off. Then you're gonna slide the handle into place, and you see there's like this little square that fits right into the tank, and then you put the new nut and you turn it counterclockwise to tighten it up. And you want to make sure that's nice and snug, but you don't want to over tighten. Now, with this particular one here, it's already set up for a front mount, but if you wanted to, you could remove this clip, and then this would adjust. Depending on how your tank is aligned, it really gives you a lot of different options depending on the type of toilet tank that you have. You're going to slide that into position, and again, you can lower this depending on the setup of your tank. So I'm going to put it right like that, and then you put that clip in to hold it in place. So that's the action here. If you notice that it's too high hitting the top lid, then just adjust this down a little bit more. Once that's there, you take the clip off of the chain and you place that on the end of the hole to clip it in there. And that's it. If you'd like more information, please go to acehardware.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you'll find more helpful videos. Or better yet, go to your local Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.